Hi there, in this screencast I'm going to show you how to create a rectangle variable and actually make a rectangle object. So a rectangle is the data type of which when you make a variable that's of the rectangle data type, you will place it on the screen in a specific pixel location, and then when the game is running you'll draw images in the rectangle and check for collisions of that rectangle with other rectangles. So let's see how we're going to do it. I'm just going to make a single rectangle for one of the sprites. For a sprite I'm going to put on my screen. So up way at the top where I declare variables, I'm going to declare a rectangle variable, and I'm going to call him monster rec. So I like to put rec on the end of the variable name because you may have textures for the monster, and you want to be able to distinguish between the rectangle and the textures in your code. So now I'm going to go down to initialize, and I'm going to actually make monster rec. So up above I declared it. Now I'm actually going to make him. So I'm going to say that, and now I have to put 4 numbers in. The first 2 are the pixel locations. So if I want him in the middle of, if I want him on the left edge of the screen, the first number says how many pixels left and right the sprite is going to be, and then the second number is how many pixels from the upper left hand corner. And I should say that the 0 for left right, 0 is the extreme left hand corner, and 0 is also the extreme top. So and both numbers go positive for X, or for the left right. As you go to the right, the number gets bigger and bigger in a positive manner, and for the Y, or the up down, the number starts at 0 at the very top and gets bigger and bigger in a positive direction as you go from top to bottom. So I'm going to put him approximately in the middle of the screen. So since I have screen height being how many pixels my screen is, for his location, his vertical location, I'm going to say screen height divided by 2. And then the next 2 numbers are how wide and how tall the rectangle itself is going to be. So I'll make him 200 pixels by 200 pixels. Now I haven't drawn him yet. I'll get down to that in a second. This has just created him on the screen. So behind the scenes you have this rectangle that's positioned on the left edge of the screen, halfway down, and when he's all ready to be drawn, this rectangle is all ready to be drawn, but that statement is going to go in the draw method, as we'll see shortly.